How to clear your app cache on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to clear your app's cache on your Android device. Without any further delay, let's just get right into the video. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your settings menu. From settings, you need to find a list of your apps. Scroll down, find the app section, and just tap on it. Once you are in the app section, you need to find the app where you want to clear cache. For example, if I just go ahead and open Adobe Acrobat and then go over to storage, I'll have an option to clear cache from here at the bottom. Just tap on it and you're good to go. Now you can do this for all of the available apps here. So let's say if I go to Binance, for example, go to storage again and clear cache from here, you're going to be good to go. So that's how you basically clear cache on any Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.